Alright, my first meal is going to be a Premier protein shake and some egg whites just for extra protein. The only reason I'm doing this for breakfast is because I have school, so I'm not able to make food right now. I wouldn't have enough time. But if I didn't have school, I would probably be making 4 eggs with 4 slices of turkey bacon, some spinach in that, and then some potatoes too. And just put it in a bowl and eat it all together. So I'm gonna be putting about that much of the egg whites, and then just mix this in with it. You can't even taste the egg whites. And I'm just gonna throw this down. It's so cold. Now I'm going to be showing you guys my second meal of the day too, because I'll be at school and I'm not going to film at school. So I'm going to be having a bag of protein chips. There are 140 calories, 5 grams of fat, 5 grams of carbs, and 19 grams of protein. And they taste good too. And then I'm gonna be having 1 apple, and then a protein bar, Alright, so what I just showed you guys is my pre-workout stack. I use Axe Sledge for my pre-workout, and then I take a creatine HCl2. I did a stack with the Axe Sledge, and I did 1 scoop of 7th gear and then 1 scoop of hydraulic just for an extra pump. First I'm going to be warming up with this neck deck, and I'm just going to be doing 2 sets, 20 reps, just to warm up. Get blood in the chest. Next I'm going to be doing incline barbell bench press, and I'm going to be doing about 4 sets of 5 to 7 reps.
Did they hear you?
I also don't go all the way down because you can have pressure on your chest the whole entire time and never stop the pressure.
Violate that bitch, I did, yeah. Violate that bitch, I did, yeah. Violate that bitch, I did, Yeah, I can't talk about all the shit that I done did. I can't talk about all the bitches I done hit. I can't talk about all the niggas that got fed. My pockets be blue, but my eyes they still see red. Fuck the loaf, I make the bread. I see numbers in my head. I like dead people instead. Ain't my money, text on red. Did it. Everything you did, I done been did it. Every bitch you fuck, I done been hit it. Every time I go to check my bank account, you wouldn't even believe my bank amount.
Oh, nice.
I can count up the whole goddamn amount. I made it. And I just let her spare it up for some entertainment. Won my first Grammy, put my ops in the pavement. I told my ghetto bitch to shut the fuck up. I like tough love, I know they don't trust us. I just put it in the mouth, she need a touch up.
Next I'm gonna be doing this incline chest machine. Ah, it's not even incline, it's all over. Cut the clip. Alright. Next I'm gonna be doing this flat bench machine, not incline. And I'm gonna be going decently heavy on this. Like 4 sets, 12 to 15 reps with drop set at the end.
Starstruck, baby, you've been blessed to see it, give you good luck. My cousins say that I'm a menace to society. When I fuck a famous bitch, I do it quietly. All my niggas quick to judge, I know they tire me. Toxic bitch won't let me leave, something up her sleeve. She know what I bleed, she know my ID.
Ugly as hell.
I sent her to Maldives just so I could breathe. Came out kicking in October. Last time I checked, your energy was bipolar. Last time I checked, your baby mama had an odor. Last time I checked, she was fucking a promoter. You was sitting on the porch. Last time I checked, I'm the one that took the torch. Last time I checked, I cut you off with no remorse. Last time I checked, y'all was quick to go report. If I cancel, then that mean I had some shit to do. If I cancel, I was in the projects 10 to 2. If I cancel, who the fuck you think you talking to? If I cancel, call my eldest bitch and tell her deuce. If I then that mean I'm probably at the bank. If I hug my bitch, I gotta keep her safe. If I taper, taking off her face. If I say she want a smart nigga with taste. I can't talk about all the shit that I done did. I can't talk about all the bitches I done hit. I can't talk about all the niggas that got fed. My pockets be blue, but my eyes they still see red. Fuck the loaf, I make the bread. I see numbers in my head. I like
Tough one. With hard work and dedication,
Where's the drop
anything
set?
can be accomplished.
dead people instead. Ain't my money, text on red. So sad, KKK. Young nigga, I got old cash, spazzing on they ass. I got Prada on my whole ass. Got my lab one mad, pop a nigga like a damn tag. Shopping on they ass, I just bought a new old Jag. Yeah, it's so fast, smoking flocker, you a jackass. All I smoke is gas, don't you ask me where the pole at, where your clothes at. I ain't talking about my niggas, damn, but y'all tripping too. Is it you? Damn, my nigga, what the hell got into you? Project baby, y'all was skipping in the hallway, I was skipping school. On my P's and Q's, on them chiggers, call me Jigaboo. Bleeding concrete, bet you niggas won't come across the street.
Honestly, I ain't dissing on nobody beat, I'm vibing on the beat. Honestly, I'm just trying to be, I just gotta be trying to get over on anything they telling lies to me. I spent 5 on my pinky ring, she love my diamond ring. In a way, I'm married to the game, she said her vows to me. I ain't getting on my knees, babe, you bow down to me. You go down for me, you lay down and do the time for me. Sorry boo, yeah I lied to you, but don't you lie to me. It's Lil Kodak, the finesse kid, boy who hide is me. Told the doctor I'm a healthy kid, I smoke broccoli, I will run around your whole boy like Monopoly. Oh boy, you's a bold boy, Flockers got you beat. Chocolate, call me Reese's, can't catch me without the piece. C'est la vie, I'm 10 toes down, you falling off your feet. I would trick your ass, full retreat, call it Halloween. Yeah, that money is what I play for, call it lottery. Goddamn, you's a clown to me, you's a clown to me. You can't smoke no black or mild with me, get in a car with me. You a funny guy, don't you even joke around with me. How could it be, different round the G, you ground it for me. I'm a free bitch, junkie.
Strawberry.
It's what?
The strawberry one, whatever the strawberry one's
Yeah,
called.
it is strawberry.
Strawberry swirl or something. Something like
I
that.
think it would be good though. It's not like all chocolate and shit. It's actually like fruit flavor, and you can like
Yeah, like
drink it.
fruit.
I could like smack one every morning or like after a workout or something. It'd be fun.
It's like refreshing.
Yeah, exactly. It's not like fucking. I don't want to throw
It's
up.
like you're drinking Gatorade or something.
Exactly. Yeah, I know. I can throw it down super fucking quick. That's why I want it.
Facts. Alright, guys, I don't know what he was talking about, but I'm not touching that strawberry stuff. No way. No clear protein, no nothing. Straight whey. Real whey, like a real man, with some egg whites. No clear whey shit. No. Get that stuff out of here.
You's a clown to me, you can't smoke no black or mild with me. Get in a car with me, you a funny guy, don't you even joke around with me. How could it be, different round the G, you ground it for me. I'm a free bitch, junkie, you a junkie. You getting skin, I'm getting junkie, I'm getting money. Want some food, boy you hungry, I want them honey.
Alright, I just finished that chest workout. When I get home, I'm gonna be drinking a cup of chocolate milk because I heard that drinking chocolate milk after your workout is the best thing that you can have. Like NFL trainers tell like the players to do it and they make them do it and stuff. And then I'm gonna be making my next meal, salmon and rice. Next meal is gonna be white jasmine rice with spinach and salmon.